to the Maverick County Sheriff's office. The reason for the stop, you're missing that tail light at the back. And that back tail light, okay? The right side. Do you have your driver license and your insurance?
My insurance, you gotta run my plates. I don't have it on me.
Okay. Well, your plate says it's expired.
Yeah, my plates are expired. I know that.
Okay. Well, it doesn't tell me if it has insurance or not. It just tells me if it's expired.
Okay. I don't have the paper. I have the old paper. You can run the old paper.
Okay. Do you have insurance on the vehicle?
Yes, I do.
All right.
I always get go to court and they get dismissed.
Okay. You always go to court for the no insurance?
Yep.
Okay. Anything for
no, ma'am. Not that I know of.
Okay.
And I get pulled over a lot. That's why I go live on Facebook.
Okay, that's fine. We're also recording, so it doesn't matter. So the registration is expired, correct? You don't have up-to-date registration?
I do not, because of these tickets that I keep getting. Okay. Like, I've been getting harassed constantly, and I'm actually being represented for the harassment.
Okay.
Dealing with my daughter. I'm sure you've heard a little bit about.
I don't know you actually.
Okay, I'm Magaña, Arturo Magaña, and I'm pretty much been trying to get somebody to do a well-being check on my daughter, which I haven't seen in 7 months, okay. and I've been getting the runaround. So.
All right. Well,
I have a court order. I have a court ordered supervised visit that they have not shown up. The mother for 24 times. So that's what this is about. Like so.
This traffic stop is
no. What I'm telling you, me going to court over being harassed.
Because you mentioned about harassment. This is the first time I actually encountered.
Well, like if you run, you'll see how I've been getting a lot of false tickets. I have them all on video, so I mean that's why I go live.
If I give you a citation for the no registration, that's going to be a false citation?
No. I'm not saying you are.
Okay.
I'm not saying this. I'm not saying this traffic stop is. But you did bust the UE before you even saw my headlight or my tail light. So.
No, I didn't. But everything was on my
that's fine.
Camera.
That's fine. Like if it is not working, then yeah, it's a real ticket.
No, it's perfectly working. Both my body.
No, my tail light.
Okay. Well, that's the reason for the stop. I mean, all of this that you're.
But I get.
It's kind of irrelevant to the traffic stop. All I asked you was for your insurance and your driver license. Okay. You're telling me.
But I just want it on camera that I'm asking every officer that pulls me over. So that way, when I go to court and to prove that I have tried to get y'all's attention to go and see my daughter, that way I have proof for that.
Where do you live, Mr. Magaña?
I live in Las Minas now.
Las Minas? What's your address?
My address was 211 Zaragoza. That's what's on my driver license.
Okay, but what's your address? What's your current address right now?
233 Barrera Street.
Barrera Street. Okay. So,
that's recent. That's recent.
Stop, correct?
Right.
You don't have a tail light. Your right tail light is out.
Okay.
Right. The only light that you have is your left tail light.
Okay.
All right. You don't have registration. You don't have insurance. This vehicle isn't supposed to be on a public roadway.
Okay, but it passed inspection. I went through that whole process, but I can't get.
Well, let me hold on to that real quick. Okay. If it would have passed inspection, you wouldn't be missing your tail light.
Well, obviously, I didn't pass it today. Like I didn't know my tail light wasn't out last night. So
okay, all right. Well, unfortunately, because you don't have registration that's up to date, unless you can prove to me that you have registration, I'm gonna have to pick up your vehicle.
That's what I'm talking about, the harassment part. Yeah. That's fine.
I mean, this is
I understand, man.
I understand. You, okay? And like I said, you don't have insurance. This insurance has been expired.
Right. I said you can run. I said that's my insurance. I don't have the actual card right now, but I didn't say I didn't have insurance.
On my system, it's not showing that you have an up-to-date insurance, okay?
Because
of your expired registration since
so you're going to take my card.
2021. We're not talking about a few months back. We're talking about a few years back.
Right. And I've been dealing with this the whole year.
I understand that, but that has nothing to do with your registration.
Yes, it does. I cannot get my registration until I pay off the tickets that I've been getting constantly, constantly.
Again, this traffic stop is completely isolated from any other incident, okay? The reason for the traffic stop was okay, your vehicle is going to have to get impounded. Okay, my system shows that it's expired. Even if you have the expired sticker and you showed me that you have proof of the registration that's up to date, I wouldn't have an issue with it. I would tell you change the sticker and we're done with that. Okay, but you don't. You're telling me it's expired. My system is telling me that it's expired. You don't have even insurance that's current.
So you put me over to take my truck.
I'm sorry?
You pulled me over to take my truck.
No, I didn't pull you
which
over.
is another
I
expense.
You over to,
another.
Okay, go ahead and step out, sir. I'm not gonna argue with you. I'm not. I explained to you already. You want to keep going in circles? That's fine. There's not.
You should form that unit real quick if you don't mind.
Go ahead and step out, man.
Just put your hands up there for me, please, sir. You have anything that's gonna poke in your sticker?
I have a knife in my hoodie.
Okay. Well, just go ahead and put your hands down. Back down. It's inside.
Yep.
Anything else that's gonna poke in your sticker?
Nope.
No.
Yeah, that's a lot of cops for a tail light.
We just take
A
care of one another.
defective tail light.
That's all it is, man. We just take care of one another.
Yeah.
That's all it is. What do you have here?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I
Do you
mean,
mind
I
if I
have.
search you?
I do not consent to a search of my person, my vehicle, or my property. Just so you know.
Yeah, I did. Can you run him? Mom.
You can go ahead and turn it off.
You can make sure you don't have any noise representing.
Your badge numbers for everybody. Look at all the cops here.
How much?
Can I have a name and badge number, please?
Yes, Deputy Gomez with the Maverick County Sheriff's Office. I can go ahead and turn around for me, please. Face that way. Keep your hands up here for safety purposes. Don't move from there, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
You got 5 units for a no tail light. Is there a reason for a turnaround, sir?
Yes, my safety and your safety.
So if I'm looking that way, I'm dangerous.
Huh?
If I'm looking that way, I'm a
Because we
dangerous
have our
person.
backs, sir. That's the reason why.
You have 5 units here, sir. I'd like to take this time to ask again. I've asked 100 times. File a report on an assault that happened to me. File a report, sir, on an assault that happened here at Aurora Meadows, and the fact that I haven't seen my daughter for 7 months, even though I have a court-ordered supervised visit with her. The mother has not complied 24 times now for the past 7 months. So I just wanted to be on file that I'm asking to file a report on that, and I get ignored every time. So I'm asking you if you will file a report on that.
Where's the paperwork?
What paperwork?
Like you said, there's like.
The court order? I have it on my phone.
See it?
I'm recording right now, but I have the papers too up there.
Whenever you want to show us the paperwork,
The paperwork is up in the.
then we can take care of that for you.
Okay.
Right now, we're taking care of the situation.
All right. The defective tail light. That's more important than my daughter, my 2-year-old daughter. All right. I did not consent to a search of my vehicle, sir.
It's not a search. It's being inventory. He's thinking about it.
I got a lot of tools to inventory. We'll be here hours.
Okay. You got time.
It's for defective tail light. And this is without a consent to search me or my property. I've been trying to get, for a whole year, trying to get these people to do I'm on Facebook Live, to get these people to do a well-being check on my daughter, who I haven't seen in 7 months. And they haven't been able to do that. But I got 5 units here for a defective tail light. But they can't go check to see if my 2-year-old is okay, because I have video proof of her being choked, having a hard time breathing. The mom has not complied with a court-ordered supervised visit for the past 7 months, and I can't get them to go check if my daughter is okay, but they got time to come 5 deep for a defective taillight on my truck. I didn't consent for no search. But they're in there searching the vehicle. They don't want me to turn around and watch them search my vehicle. It's kind of weird.
Yeah, which was going to be in 2001.
We don't want to open it.
Mr. How do you say your last name, sir?
Magaña.
Besides,
Magaña. Okay, sir.
your
Any
purse,
little bit of information
what
from
other
you?
stuff do you have in there that's yours? That
Your
you
phone number?
want?
830
Leave it up here.
2018. Can I get my tattooing stuff out?
Besides your wallet, you want your tattoo stuff?
My keys? Yeah, my tattoo stuff, that's what I make a living from.
Where's it at?
The blue bag.
The blue bag?
It's the only blue bag in there.
In the backside?
Yep.
Your social, sir?
453-597844.
45 what? I'm sorry?
453
Huh?
597844. I need
What's
the
your weight,
keys.
sir?
Huh?
What's your weight?
175. My keys.
And your hair color?
Dark brown. Need my keys.
Okay, sir. Here's,
Like to go in my room.
okay,
Like,
I'll get them for you right now. This is going to be a citation for no insurance, expired registration, and your defective equipment. Okay,
Right.
It's not an admission of guilt. It's promised to appear in court. Signature right here, please. Okay. This is going to be the contact information for the judge. The number is there. You can go on that date or on the date that's on the citation, which is going to be January 17th at 6 p.m. You can go on this date or before this date to make arrangements.
Shit.
I'll give you your deal, right? I give it to you?
Yes. You close the windows and all that shit?
Yeah, he does
There's
it
a
for
lot of
policy.
valuable tools.
Yeah, he does it.
Y'all making inventory on my tools? No? You getting inventory on my tools?
Yes.
Like the saw, there's a saw,
You
there's...
should have officer that didn't stop. Yes, do.
Can I get a copy of that inventory, sir?
What's that?
Can I get a copy of that
Go ahead
inventory?
and ask me.
You can go tomorrow morning to 5 and ask for the inventory sheet.
There you go.
I just got pulled over so they can take my car. Who's coming? I'm sorry, I didn't know my toilet was in my wallet. Another expense tomorrow to go get my shit out. So if I show who asked for the court order that I have, so y'all can file that report for me. They said if I had the paperwork, I have it on my phone.
You have the paperwork. What paperwork?
For a court order, I have a court order and supervised visit that my baby mama has not shown up to for the past 7 months, which is 24 times now.
Okay.
So I want to file a report because nobody has wanted to file a report on it. Like that's 24 times that she has not complied with a judge's court order. I have not seen my daughter in 7 months.
Okay. So you want to file a report
Yes.
for the violation of the court order?
Right. I have the court order on me. I mean, that's what the other officer said. If I can show him the paper, the proof, then he would file the report.
So it would have to be when do you have visitation?
First and third Saturday of the month. But I have not seen her. She has not shown up the past 24 times, which I have on video that I was waiting there.
And have you filed reports today?
With the police station. But I want a well-being check done on to see if my daughter's okay. Like, I have not seen her in a picture or a phone call or nothing. She lives right here, right in Aurora Meadows. Like right there, right around the corner.
Okay.
And I have called the sheriff's department. I have everything on video, like when I make the calls and I ask for a well-being check, which is supposed to be done every time that she does not show up to the court order to provide visit. Like it's supposed to be done every time that she doesn't show up. An officer has to go knock and make sure my daughter's okay and ask her why she didn't show up. I have not been able to get an officer to do that for the past 7.5 months.
And you have the court order with you?
Yes, I have